Wake up. To stop sleeping and become conscious. I wake up feeling refreshed every morning. Turn on. To start a machine or device. Please turn on the lights, it's getting dark. Turn off. To stop a machine or device. Don't forget to turn off the TV when you're done. Run out of. To exhaust the supply of something. We've run out of groceries. We need to buy more. Take off. To remove something, like clothing or a hat. It's hot in here. I need to take off my jacket. Put on. To dress or wear something. She put on her best dress for the party. Look for. To search for something. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? Call off. To cancel something. They had to call off the meeting due to bad weather. Get up. To rise from a sitting, lying, or sleeping position, typically to stand on your feet. The basketball player helped his teammate get up after she fell. Go on. To continue or proceed with an action or event. The show must go on, even if it's raining. Break down. To stop working or functioning properly. My car broke down on the way to work. Fill up. To add something to capacity, usually a liquid like gas. I need to fill up the gas tank before we leave. Back up. To provide support or assistance. Can you back me up in the meeting tomorrow? Give up. To quit or stop trying. Don't give up, you can do it. Run into. To encounter someone unexpectedly. I ran into an old friend at the grocery store. Set up. To arrange or prepare something. They set up the tent for the camping trip. Look up. To search for information or definitions. You can look up the meaning of that word online. Hold on. To wait or hang on. Please hold on for a moment while I check. Come across. To find or encounter something unexpectedly. I came across an interesting book at the library. Give in. To agree to someone or something. After much debate, she finally gave in to their demands. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.